Unlocking the secrets of smart object in English. Hello everyone, today we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, and we'll unravel the meaning behind the term smart object. This phrase can be intriguing for English learners, so let's explore it together and add another expression to your linguistic toolkit. The phrase smart object is actually more common in the digital realm than in everyday English conversation. It refers to a layer in graphic software that contains image data from raster or vector images. This layer allows you to perform non-destructive editing, which means you can modify or manipulate the image without losing the original quality. Why is it called smart? Well, because it retains its original characteristics, allowing for a wide range of edits like resizing, rotating, warping, and more. The smart part implies intelligence in preserving data, which is a handy feature for graphic designers and digital artists. In a broader context, a smart object could be anything that's designed with intelligent features that make it adaptable, efficient, or capable of complex tasks. Think of smartphones, smart homes, and smart cars. They are all smart objects because of their ability to interact with users and environments in advanced ways. Let's see how to use smart object in a sentence. In graphic design, using a smart object can greatly enhance your workflow. The latest smart home technology integrates various smart objects to create a seamless living experience. That's a wrap on smart object. Remember, understanding phrases like this can be a smart move towards fluency in English. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're now more confident in using this modern English phrase. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.